Chairman, anong masasabi niyo dun sa possible feedback na they're supposed to be watchdogs, meaning they're not supposed to be on the side of the COMELEC all the time?
No naman, tama yun. They are not supposed to. They are not supposed to be on our side. But they are not supposed also to hit us back. Wag naman. Kumbaga hindi sila on our side. Kaya nga sabi ko, you can come out with your concerns. Pero wag naman natin i-public na Sinabi ko na yun nung una pa kami nag-meeting. In fact, I was the one that pushed for the accreditation of NAMPREL. Noon, ino-objectan ko palagi ang NAMPREL. Whenever, for the last several elections, since 1992, ino-objectan ko NAMPREL. Reason is while they want to be accredited, they keep on hitting, as a citizens arm of COMELEC, they should not be coming out openly against the COMELEC.
Bakit po, sir?
Iwag naman. Kaya ka nga citizens army, kamay ka ng COMELEC, isusuntok mo ba yung sarili mo? Kaya ka nga linalagay na citizens army para tumulong, hindi para manira. Diba? I think tulong in the sense that you can express your concerns. Pero hindi publicly, naninira ka.